Panini Origins Football 2-box breaking number 11. Just as a friendly reminder, unfortunately we don't have any of the case breaker packs available. The top 2 names in this break were supposed to get case breaker packs, but we accidentally ran out of them. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the top 2 names will each get 5 2017 Panini Father's Day football packs, which I think is a quite fair value in return. And a couple of them are pretty thick, so they might have some hits in there. So 5 and 5. So we'll do it at the end of the break. I just wanted to let everyone know that. So sorry about that, but yeah, I think the Father's Day packs are equal, if not a lot greater value, in my opinion. So let's roll the dice, and we'll go 6 and a 1, 7 times. Good luck, everybody. We're going to do the names first. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Bill down to John K. And I need to zoom it in a little bit more so you can see. Or maybe zoom out. There we go. Now you can see. Kind of. There we go. Now for the list of teams, going to go 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Jets Dolphins combo down to the Jaguars. Here you guys and gals go. We got Bill, you had the Jets and Dolphins. Benny, you got the 49ers. Todd, Texans. Brennan Gomes, you got the Bears. John K, Saints and Rams. Steve G, Giants. Jonathan, Bucks. John Hill, Panthers. David H, Steelers. Bill, Seahawks and Cowboys. Benny, Broncos and Ravens. Bruce with the Browns. Benny with the Bills and Packers. Colin with the Bengals. Chris with the Chargers. Benny with the Vikings. Chris with the Colts and Cardinals. Alex D with the Titans. TJ with the Lions and Patriots. David H with the Redskins and Falcons. TJ with the Chiefs. Tyrone with the Eagles and Raiders. And John K with the Jaguars. So there everyone goes. Let's go ahead and print this list out. We gotta randomize which box we're doing as well, and then I'll post the next one in the store. So we got boxes 1 through 15, it looks like. I think 16 might have gone. It's either 15 or 16. So if we roll a 15, it'll end up being that. Box 7. And this is a 2-box break. So we have box 7 here. 7 and 11. 7-11. No free ads, so we're not sponsored by 7-Eleven. Alright. And I don't see anybody chatting, so kind of a dead chat right now. Where's everyone at? So we'll trade we'll close the trade window. And good luck, everybody. So this is box 7 and then box 11. No, it wasn't working.
Okay.
Box 7. Good luck. Alright, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Alright, so we got some base cards and some numbered cards as well here. So we got Aaron Rodgers, Sheldon Richardson. We got Robert Kelly, number to 299. And Tyreek Hill, number to 150. Nice. All right. First hit is number to 49, jumbo patch of Chris Godwin. Tampa Bay Buccaneers is Lampros. I'm sorry, Jonathan. I'm looking at the wrong list. Jonathan. My bad. 37/49. Ooh, nice one coming up here. John K. with the Jaguars gets the Leonard Fournette autograph. On card, Leonard Fournette. Kind of goes a little bit off the card there with the pen. But still a nice hit for John K. And D.D. Westbrook for John K. 4-color patch auto. Nice. Alright, so that was box number 1. 2 Jags hitting that one, including a Fournette. So nice. And now we go box number 2. And then we'll give away those Father's Day packs. So once again, sorry about that, guys. But Father's Day packs are just as good. The Father's Day packs have autos in them. I'm not sure if the case breaker packs do. So, alright. Good luck. Ooh, we got a redemption. So we got, first up, we got Carlos Hyde. We got Matthew Stafford, number /299. We got Jay Ajayi, 4/60. And we got a Patrick Peterson. Another Buck. Look at that patch. O.J. Howard, ridiculous patch, number /49. That is insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color patch. Buccaneers. Jonathan again. We got a Wayne Gallman silver ink auto, 90/99. That one is for the Giants, Steve G. And we got a redemption of James Conner for the Steelers right there. Pittsburgh Steelers on that one. That is David H. There you go, big boys. Might get some playing time. Le'Veon Bell. Although Le'Veon Bell finally returned. But that's a nice one. Alright, so let's go ahead and head back to the randomizer here. Top 2 names will each win 5 packs each of Father's Day. So number 1 on the random will win this pack right here. Number 2 on the random will win this stack right here. Gonna go 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, Benny gets them both. Gets all 10. So there you go. Thanks, everybody. That was Origins Football number 11.